Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a school in Spain. Yes, so you can travel to Spain for free. Yes, so you can get scholarships in Spain and travel abroad for free. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Yes, you watching me right now. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find today's video? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always sharing me out every single time. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself to you guys. If you're new here, oh yeah, share this video, like this video, and do well to introduce yourself as well. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, and that is about it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Come with me, let's go. So besties, have you heard of University of Valencia? So besties, welcome back to the channel where we turn ambition into action and dreams into degrees. So if you have been searching for a way to study in Europe without drowning in tuition fees, today's spotlight is for you, because we're talking about the University of Valencia, which is a top public university in Spain, and they are offering scholarships and full tuition support for international students. Yes, so you can actually study in Spain for free at the University of Valencia through their Scholarships 2026. So let's go ahead and get into it. The University of Valencia is one of Spain's oldest and most respected institutions, known for its excellence in law, excellence in health sciences, excellence in economics, psychology, and language studies. And guess what? They are not just offering world-class education, they are offering funding to help you get there. Here are the scholarships that are available. This is the breakdown of the scholarship ecosystem at the University of Valencia. Now, there's Valencia Government Study Scholarships. These scholarships offer full tuition exemption for eligible students. It is open to students applying for official master's and undergraduate programs. It is based on academic merit and financial need. Applications are actually open and results will be announced by July. So go ahead and start applying now. There is also the Talent Scholarships. It is designed for high-achieving students with leadership potential. Yes, it covers tuition, living expenses, priorities given to students in strategic fields like science, technology, and innovation. And then they also have this scholarship. It's called the Manuela Solis Scholarship. They are focused on supporting students from underrepresented background. They offer tuition support and mentorship throughout their studies. Erasmus and EU mobility grants is available for students participating in exchange or joint programs. They cover tuition, travel, and monthly stipends. It is also great for students who want to study across multiple European countries. Now, who can apply? These scholarships are open to non-EU international students, especially those that are applying for first-year full-time degree-seeking programs. So whether you're coming from Latin America, or you're coming from Asia, or Africa, or the Middle East, you are eligible to apply. And here is the best part. See, many scholarships don't require separate applications. When you apply to the University of Valencia, you are automatically considered for several funding options. And here is how to apply. This is your own action plan. Choose your program. Yes, go ahead and visit the University of Valencia website and explore their master's and undergraduate degrees. Then prepare your documentation. Yes, so you will need your transcripts, you will need your proof of language proficiency, and you also need a strong personal statement. And please make sure that you always apply before the deadline, because most scholarship applications open in December and they close like pretty soon. Yes, check for additional requirements on their website. Some scholarships may ask for proof of income or academic rankings. Don't worry, I have guidelines, I have templates that can help you write your personal statement and build a winning application. Why should you choose the University of Valencia? I mean, there are many schools that you can choose, but why that school? Let's talk about the experience. You see, Valencia is a coastal city with sunshine, with cultural and vibrant student life. The university offers affordable living costs compared to Madrid or Barcelona. They also have modern facilities and research centers. They also have global student community and support services for international students. Plus, you will be studying in a city that is safe, in a city that is welcoming, and in a city that is full of opportunity. And here is your call to action. See, if you're ready to study in Spain, if you're ready to get funded, if you're ready to build your future, University of Valencia is waiting for you. So check out the scholarship links in the description and let me know in the comments if you need help choosing a program. or preparing your own application. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share this video with someone who needs it, because I have so many more videos that are coming your way on scholarships, on grants, on how to study abroad without breaking the bank. Until next time, stay bold, stay brilliant, and let's get you funded. So just so you know, this school offers full tuition, yes, full tuition support for master's and PhD programs, yes. And don't forget, they are known for their science, medicine, education, and major scholarships covering full tuition. They also have, there's this scholarship, it's called MAEC AECID Spanish Scholarship, Government Scholarship. Yes, for undergraduates, for masters and PhD students. They cover full tuition, they cover living expenses, they cover travel and research costs. And it's open to students from Latin America, Africa, and Asia. There's also the La Caixa Foundation Scholarships. Yes, it is highly competitive for master's and PhD studies. They also cover full tuition, monthly stipend, travel, research support, and it's open to international students. Yes, applying to Spanish universities. There's also Santander scholarships. Yes, they are offered in partnership with multiple Spanish universities. They support tuition and living costs for international students, and they are tied a lot of times to academic merit and leadership potential. There's also Erasmus Mundus, joint degree, yes, EU funded with Spanish university partners. And then they cover travel, they cover tuition, they cover insurance, and monthly stipend. It is ideal for students that are seeking mobility across Europe. So you see, guys, I've got you guys covered. Like, I'm constantly researching all of these opportunities for you guys. So if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. And if you're new here but you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Yeah, introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you, and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. Like, you're the reason why I get up to do this research every single time, and I get up to shoot these videos just for you, because your love, your comments keep me going. Your likes get me motivated. The way you share these videos, you know, they keep me going. So thank you, and thank you. If you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, yes, now you can book a one-on-one consultation with me and have full and direct access to me. All you need to do is to join my Patreon community. There is a link in my description that takes you straight to my Patreon membership. If you want to request for it in the comments, it's okay as well. You can request for the Patreon link, and I'll share the link with you in the comments. And you can also join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and join my channel membership, or you can also join my Patreon community, and you are on your way to getting the scholarship of your dreams. You're on your way to actually seeing me one-on-one, and we can help tailor your application to the best of my capability. So I hope this video has been a blessing to you. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to also share with someone. Be a blessing to other people, you know, and introduce yourselves in comments, because honestly, I want to know you watching this video right now. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find this video? Who sent it to you? And if anyone actually sends my videos to you, let me know as well, so I can say thank you to them, yes, in the comments. So till I see you guys in my next video, take care of yourselves. God bless you. Bye for now. Bye, guys.